Oh, he's gonna hit that son of a...
Welcome to Factory Machines. In today's video, we take a look at some of the most dangerous railroad crossing accidents and close calls caught on camera. From trucks stuck on the tracks to cars hit by speeding trains, these moments show why you should never ignore warning lights or crossing barriers. Watch until the end and stay alert around every railroad crossing.
A tanker truck was crossing the railroad tracks without paying enough attention. Seconds later, the train came through, and the impact turned the crossing into a dangerous crash scene. A small car was trapped on the railroad tracks after the barriers came down. Thankfully, the driver managed to leave the car before the crash happened. A container truck tried to cross the tracks even after the barriers had already come down. That risky decision led to a situation with consequences no driver ever wants to face. A truck tried to beat the train across the railroad crossing, but the timing was wrong. In just seconds, that choice turned into a violent collision.
Oh my God.
Holy! Oh my God!
A cargo truck lost control after getting stuck on the tracks. With the train coming fast, the situation quickly turned into a serious railroad accident. A cargo truck and a small car were parked in the wrong place near the tracks. When the train came through, both vehicles were caught in the impact zone. A small car became stuck directly on the railway line. When a train is approaching, leaving the vehicle is always more important than trying to save it. A garbage truck tried to cross the railroad tracks and ended up in a train accident. The crash showed why heavy vehicles must never gamble at crossings. A car carrier container truck became stuck on the railway tracks, causing a major collision and heavy damage. One block crossing was enough to create a huge disaster. A young man tried to cross the tracks just as a train was coming through. Somehow he escaped at the last second, turning a deadly mistake into a lucky close call. A serious train collision filled the area with smoke, dust, and debris. The scene looked chaotic as the force of the impact spread across the crossing.
Right, garbage truck right here.
en el trailón. Esa madre. Oh, hasta acá.
A container truck became stuck right on the railroad tracks. Once the train was approaching, there was almost no time left to move it away. A truck was trapped on the tracks and could not move before the train arrived. Moments later, the crossing turned into a heavy impact crash. A semi-truck was stuck on the rails as a train came rushing toward it. With no time left to escape for the vehicle, the collision was unavoidable.
Coming.
A semi-truck was crossing when the train clipped the trailer at the railroad crossing. Even a partial impact from a train can cause massive damage.
Oh my holy fucking shit.
A car in Belgium was struck by a train at a railroad crossing. The crash showed how quickly a normal road crossing can become a dangerous accident scene. An SUV or small car was sitting on the tracks as a train approached. The moment was extremely tense because the vehicle had almost no time to clear the rails.
Ya valió. Mira. Veme.
A car was left on the railway line while a train was coming closer. Once the train entered the crossing, there was no chance to stop in time.
Go. Oh my god, he's stuck. He's stuck right there. Oh my god, it just destroyed it.
A truck was cut apart or heavily damaged after colliding with the train at the crossing. The crash showed the brutal power difference between road vehicles and locomotives. A semi-truck collided with a train at a railroad crossing in a short but intense clip. The impact happened fast, but the damage was serious. In Pecos, Texas, a semi-truck was hit by a train at a railroad crossing. The crash became a major incident and showed how dangerous blocked tracks can be.
We got a big train derailment going here, guys. Still piling up, guys.
A truck became stuck on the tracks while the barriers were down. Luckily, the driver got out in time before the train arrived and destroyed the vehicle.
No!
beats a jet to holiday. And right now, you can save holidays available. 22 kilograms of baggage included. But now, the jet
A truck became stuck on the railroad tracks in Pennsylvania before the train arrived. The driver had only moments to get away from the danger zone.
Nope, he's not gonna stop. Oh, man. Holy hell. He was in that cab. Wow. Oh my God.
A train derailment in Texas was captured in a short but dramatic clip. The footage showed how quickly a rail incident can turn into a major emergency. A vehicle in Layton, Utah was left or trapped on the tracks before an oncoming train arrived. The driver escaped, but the vehicle was left to take the impact.
This morning, a train which plowed into a semi-truck in Rogers. Really all you can say after watching that. You can see that train crashed right into a semi-truck. Well, according to the city of Rogers, this happened at the railroad crossing on. It was closed for multiple hours yesterday. However, as of this morning, we can't. Right now, 6 News is still working to find out if the driver of the semi-truck. We will be sure to keep you updated as we get more information.
An oncoming train came dangerously close as a person or vehicle remained near the tracks. The escape happened just in time, turning a potential disaster into a terrifying close call.
Oh my God. Hey, I see the KDP. Gotcha.
In this video, we are looking at a serious railroad crews in nearby buildings. This is why even standing too close to the tracks during an incident can be dangerous. Flying debris, unstable train cars, fuel, smoke, electrical systems, and blocked roads can all turn the area into an emergency zone. The most important lesson from this video is simple. Never try to beat a train. If warning lights are flashing, if gates are coming down, or if you hear a horn, stop and wait. Saving a few seconds is never worth risking your life. If your vehicle ever gets stuck on the tracks, do not stay inside trying